guys, happy Sunday. So today is 14th of December 201 and I'll be going to my apartment to drop some furnitures and fix the curtain. So I've been waiting on my furniture since, but just called me that he's on his way there, so I'll be going there to meet with him and to drop the furnitures. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing as usual, my brand, and this top from Shein. So I'll be wearing the jacket with it anyway. So I'm running late. I'm running so late. So yeah. So I have finally decided to go with a bag. So I want to believe that my driver is outside, so I'll be taking some things I'm taking to my house. Here are my curtains about to be fixed. Good morning. So today is Wednesday, 17th of December, and I'm dressed to go to my apartment. I had some furniture's work there yesterday, so I'm going today to go check what they've done, because the house is still open. Honestly, I'm not feeling good about this stuff, because the agent in charge of my house, I told them to fix the ceiling. There's something about the ceiling. I asked them to fix it. Until now, they haven't fixed it. So I can't move in. I can't pack my things there, because I don't want to move in and people are coming in to do one or two things in the house. So that's why I've given them like a month. It's more than a month I took the apartment. And I've been giving them time to finish work on it. Honestly, at this point, I feel like I'm not just liking what they are doing to me. So I'll be going there today. I'll be showing you guys. So I'll be going there today and to see what next and what not to do. So yes. So by the way, I'm wearing this cardigan I got from Shein, and my pants is from the two-piece from my brand. So this is what I'm wearing. So I really like this curtain, but it's too short. Like it's too short. You can see how far it is from the ground. So I'll have to like change it, but I want them to fix it first. So I'll see how it looks. These are the furnitures and they're already set. Them to fix for over a month now, and before it was open, but they patched it like this and they left it like this for over, like this has been there for over 2 weeks. Honestly, I'm just tired. A lot of things. I want them to close it because I don't want to stay in a house that I'll be seeing and all this stuff like that. So this place too. That other side. So I've not really done shopping for my house, but these are things I got from a vendor on Instagram. I didn't come with a tripod, so I'm finding it very difficult to film, but you guys should just take it like that. So I got this spice rack, this 18 jar rotating spice rack. It's just a place to like hang the wine, so I'll be setting it up now. You guys will see. And kiosk. So this is a sofa kiosk, and I got it in this color. I'm just praying it matches my my house aesthetics because it's actually beige and cream and white, and this color seems so off, but I'll just look for a way to just measure it inside. I got this center rod. So it's actually so difficult to open anything here without a razor, and there's a supermarket beside my house, so I'll just go there to get a razor now. So I just go back. I couldn't get a razor, so I got scissors instead. So this should work. This is a fan. It's a mini fan that works with iPhone charging port, and let's try it. Oh my god, it's not working. Okay, so here you go. Oh my god, it's actually blowing very well. Oh, this is nice. My god, I love. This is so cute. Hi guys, so it is yet another day in my house, and I brought some things from my house. From my house, so I'm just trying to fix things. So everywhere is untidy like right now because I've not unpacked the stuff I just brought. So I brought this stuff. So this is a bedside lamp. This is a sandwich maker. This is an electric kettle and some other stuff. So this place is really messy, but I'll be taking you guys along. So I just need some time to just do some quick arrangements, and I will show you guys the final look. And here is the wine rack that I got. So this is how the wine will be on it, and it's for 6 bottles. What my room looks like is so messy.